An elimination match is a pretty unique match type where every fall changes.
Spear by Reigns.
No coming back from Reigns after that. Off into the pin.
That could put Solo down for being eliminated.
Now he's eliminated. The Rock's heading home.
Are you kidding me? Not even a 1 count.
Disbelief on the face of the American Nightmare. What's he going to have to do to put this away? Corey, what are the perils of this match that superstars must be concerned with?
Now, this is the type of setting where you must beware of outside interference, because when it's no disqualification, it's not considered interference. It's legal.
The match can change in an instant when another individual who is not officially part of the match makes their presence felt.
That's when a competitor needs to utilize the anything goes stipulation to their benefit and eliminate the mismatch. And that was an effective attack, guys. Does he get him here? No, he gets the shoulder up.
This is going to come down to who wants it more.
Shoved into the ropes and attacking the lower back.
Man, that was a hard landing.
Sikoa just unable to stop this attack.
Solo has to find a way to turn things around.
And he'll leave the ring for this next stretch.
A table. And guys, I don't think there will be any place settings.
Cody Rhodes lifts him up. Re-entering the ring now. To the outside.
This could get wild. A steel. Winding up. There's a Samoan spike. Ouch. And that took Reigns down.
Look at him now. He realizes he's holding the great equalizer.
Outside the ring now. He has no need to rush.
Face first into the chair. These are dangerous attacks on their own, but now the damage is exponentially multiplied.
Spinning heel kick.
Flamed across the way.
He's absorbing some tough hits now.
A tag match like this is a test of endurance in every aspect of the word.
Sikoa keeping his opponent at bay.
This isn't the smartest thing to do, antagonizing your opponent instead of attacking him.
Oh, man. Able to avoid there.
Blows right to the body.
It's 2-on-1.
Oh, what a shot to the gut and another one.
Side effect. Cody.
For crossroads. Cody Rhodes nailed it.
Thrown back in under the ropes. I don't know what they're looking for here.
And of course, kendo sticks are always under the ring in the event of any rogue ninja attacks.
Oh! Into the cover!
Oh!
Kick out! I cannot believe what I'm seeing right now.
No one can.
Rolling into a monkey flip.
The end may be in sight for his opponent here.
And this is, well, it's not looking good.
From the top. He leaves the ring and there's no countouts in this one.
An absolutely terrible landing ringside. Oh, a headbutt right to the shoulder.
That's using your noggin. He's got his head new still.
Whip back into the ring. Tough position to be caught in here.
Solo making it loud and clear for his opponent tonight.
You never see that coming.
He's looking for something. This could get dangerous.
And he's going with the great equalizer here, the steel chair.
Can't quite get him there.
Oh, watch out. There's a seat for your face.
Oh, tossed hard into the ring post.
This isn't the smartest thing to do, antagonizing your opponent instead of attacking him.
Absolutely no respect from Roman Reigns.
Tossed back into the ring.
Cody Rhodes lining it up. Here comes the setup.
And a double DDT!
Staggering to his feet, but he won't like what's coming next.
Uh-oh. This isn't going to be pretty.
Nice suplex. And Rhodes wants more from him.
Taking flight.
What? What a reckless attack. Off the top rope, putting it.
Uh-oh, forearm gonna cut off the wind. The guillotine cinched in. This one could be over.
And the anguish on his face continues. Tapping out isn't going to save him here. Put in a position now.
Uh-oh, this is gonna be ugly, guys. Look out! Driven into the barricade, spine first. Hits to the core like that'll render you useless.
He's got the answer for that one.
Underhook applied. Side effect.
Neither one of these men are showing any signs of staying down.
Yeah, but it can't last much longer at this pace.
Face first off the post.
Rhodes letting his opponent know who's in charge.
This isn't the smartest thing to do, antagonizing your opponent instead of attacking him. And now gets tossed into the ring.
I don't think Sikoa is aware of the danger that's coming.
Right to the face.
He thinks he has it.
And the elimination, the last team standing.
Here are your winners, the team of Cody Rhodes and Roman Reigns.
A big win here tonight in this tornado tag match.
Elimination matches are absolutely a cruel mistress, but they certainly found a way to overcome such a challenge.